We don't have any space for bigotry or ethnic coloration in our system, Governor Sanwo Olu says as he inspects projects in Lagos State today.
They have their time, there's a process to do that. But really for me is to talk to our citizens, and that's what I said also at my acceptance speech, that we don't have any space for ethnicity, or ethnic bigotry in our own system. We don't have any space for any divisive coloration that want to continue to divide us. And that you can also see, you can see the turnout, the commercial activity that has immediately, switched in Lagos. At the Yaba station, we have a huge Hausa community, we had a huge Eastern, South community, and we also have a huge Yoruba community. And everybody is trading, and they are committing, and they are expressing themselves, and you saw all of them. And that's the spirit of Lagos. The competence and the experience that we have in this city. Religions will not divide us. Ethnicity will not divide us. Lagos will come out bigger, stronger, and better. I want to salute all of the multitude of Lagosians who have refused to succumb to any form of divisiveness. And we're thankful that at the end of it, Lagos will continue to remain first. And it is you Lagosians that have indeed won this electoral battle.